G'day guys, Ron here from Osborne Digital Marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to rebuild expired domains for maximum effect to ensure you get better results with an expired domain. Now, before we jump in, make sure you like and subscribe, but because it's the new year, I am taking 15-minute free discovery calls with local businesses looking to dominate in 2024. If that's you, if you own a local business and you want to do better with your website, click the link down below. There'll be a link down below. You can click on it, book a free chat with me, not my team, me directly, and we can see if we can work something out together. Now, let's jump into the rest of the video. So you might be wondering, how can I get more out of my expired domain? I really want to show you something very, very important that I'm actually noticing that a lot of people that are buying expired domains to try and set them up because they've got backlinks built to them in the past and they're trying to capitalize on that past backlink creation. And what I'm noticing is that a couple of people that I've worked with and had a chat with last year, they just didn't set it up right. So I want to show you how you can make sure that you're rebuilding your backlinks, these expired domains the right way so you can get the most out of your backlinks. So as an example, I've just gone on to expireddomains.net. I threw in law, and as you can see, I've filtered by backlinks and I've brought the thing to the top, whatever it is, lawn jockey. So let's just say you're in the situation. You're like, all right, I need an expired domain. I can see that this has got a pretty solid trust flow over here. Not too bad. Am I going to pay $350 for it? That'll depend on the profile, but hey. Anyway, you've grabbed this domain. You're like, cool bananas. I'm rolling with this. I like this. First thing you want to do, and again, I'm pretending that you've done your due diligence. You've looked at everything that I've already talked about in expired domain shopping videos and how to purchase the right expired domain. We've done the due diligence. But what you're really looking at now is how you'll rebuild the website. And this is where I'm noticing a lot of people making a lot of mistakes. So as you can see, all right, cool bananas, root domain. You can see, all right, cool. There's some backlinks there. There's some referring domains. Cool. Might actually be pretty powerful. This is where people are going wrong. So what I'm noticing is that a lot of people are just building the main domain and then adding their services on. So let's just say it's law jockey. I'll give you a perfect example or very close example to what I was seeing. So let's just say it's lawn jockey, roof repair. All right. Is there a roof repair page on here? No, there isn't. And let me just show you what I'm looking at. These are the top pages that have referring domains pointed to them. Now, because it's an expired domain, the crawler's in SEMrush, things start dropping in and out, but you really want to look here first, scroll down to the bottom, because what you want to be looking at is you would want to rebuild these pages. Now, again, as you can see, it's talking about cheap Yeezys for women, and like, if I was buying this for a lawn care or roofing website, I'm not going to be doing it. This is just a scenario that I want you to be very, very vigilant on when you're buying an expired domain, because I just want to show you something here. All right, so I'm going to go into this report, and what you're going to see is you're going to see that these index pages here, and we're going to have a look at all of the ones with referring domains on it. All right, so what it's really looking at is pages that have referring domains pointed to it. Now, again, this is junk, guys. This is junk. I would never buy this. This is a terrible thing. I would not. If you gave me the money to buy this, I wouldn't buy it. This is an example. So what I'm looking at is, let's just pretend it's roof repair. Let's just say that this page right here was lawn jockey roof repair. I look over here and I can see that there's 12 backlinks. Now, I might have bought this expired domain. Because I saw that it had a heap of backlinks pointing to it. If I don't rebuild this page, I'm losing out on 12 referring domains. If I don't rebuild this lawn jockey /collections / this, I'm missing out on 132 referring domains. See what's happening here? This is what I'm noticing happening a lot out there. So obviously, like, SEO is picking up a lot quicker. There's a lot more people doing videos. There's a lot more, like, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So a lot more people are catching on to the amazing success that you can have with SEO. So these types of things naturally will happen. And it's just my advice to be very, very vigilant when you're buying expired domains that you're not wasting it. You're not wasting it. Because if you set up just on the root, you're only getting those backlinks that were pointed to the root. Think about it. Think about it logically. You're working on an SEO campaign. Where do you build backlinks 9 times out of 10? Never to the root. Never. You'll do that after you've done your PR, or where you get those awesome haro links like I sell in the Osborne Digital Marketing Store. You get awesome haro links. Yeah, them 9 times out of 10, they're going to the homepage, guys. So yeah, you will get some haro style links. But what about those everyday $50 to $300 links that are built on service pages, such as roof repair? What's going to happen to those links? You're missing out. You've paid money for this expired domain, so you're missing out on those links. Those links will drop off because guys like me reach out to the webmaster and go, hey, mate, you're linking to a 404. Don't worry, brother. I've got a roofing company that I'm a part of. I've got many roofing companies that we work with. This piece of content's fantastic for you to link to. So the expired domain that you just purchased, well, I've taken that link now. So it's very, very important when you're buying expired domains, you're actually coming into SEMrush and you're seeing the pages that actually have links to them. Because like I was saying, guys, if you don't rebuild this page, as an example here, I'm not saying rebuild it, this is a terrible domain. But if you don't, look at this. You've just missed out on 132 links. Or 132 referring domains. If you don't rebuild this one, you've missed out on 12. If you don't rebuild this one, which is the homepage index, you're missing out on 11. If you don't build this one, you're missing out on 10. You get the point. So when you're buying an expired domain, make sure that when you're rebuilding them, you actually throw it in the SEMrush and you create the pages exactly how they are. So if they've got slashes in them, as an example, the collections, you've got to put the slashes in there. If they don't have the slashes in the .html, it's got to be like that. Now, you can obviously 301 these into the new pages that you will build. That's what I suggest. And that's actually what I do, because I might not like roof repair, as an example, I might not like roof repair Austin, Texas. I might want my new structure to be roof repair / Austin, as an example. So I 301 that into that page, the new page we create, because I wouldn't be losing out on the links. So make sure when you're building your expired domains, you're rebuilding that setup, you're building the pages that have a lot of links. If you've gained knowledge from this, make sure you like and subscribe, legends. And I'm building an SEO tool, guys. So let me know down below in the comments of what you would want your SEO tool to have. All of the features, all of the bells and whistles, the kind of stuff you really would want to see. And if you're a local business and you want to dominate this year, book a free 15-minute call with me down below. See you around, legends.